Bro, ever stare in the mirror and think, damn, I could be more? We all have those moments. But hold up. What if I told you becoming your most attractive self wasn't about some magic potion or overnight transformation? I used to struggle with confidence and self-image, but through trial and error, I discovered some secrets that completely transformed my life. In this video, I'm going to share with you the key steps that will help you become the most attractive version of yourself. Get ready, because this is going to be a game changer. No BS, just spitting facts. Cultivate your passions. Being passionate about something is like having an invisible spotlight on you. It ignites your eyes, fuels your conversations, and makes you inherently interesting. Whether it's music, art, or sports, dive deep into something that sets your soul on fire. Go out there and find your passion, own it, and let it shine through. You'll be surprised at how attractive it makes you. Style up your game. Looking sharp doesn't have to mean breaking the bank. It's about clothes that fit you well, reflect your style, and make you feel good about yourself. Confidence is the ultimate accessory, so rock whatever makes you feel like $1,000,000. Remember, it's not about following trends, it's about expressing your unique you. Be a lifelong learner. The sexiest thing you can be is someone who's constantly growing and evolving. Read books, take online courses, learn a new skill, anything that expands your mind and opens you up to new experiences. When you continuously expand your knowledge and skills, you become more interesting and captivating. So, never stop learning. It keeps you sharp, interesting, and forever attractive. Own your body. Remember that awkward teenage phase, bro? Yeah, me neither. But seriously, feeling good in your own skin is the foundation of true attractiveness. It's not just about six-pack abs, though hey, if that's your goal, more power to you. But it's about treating your body with respect, fuel it with healthy food, move it in ways you enjoy, and prioritize sleep. You'll radiate confidence from the inside out. I used to avoid the gym like the plague, but once I found activities I actually liked, exercise became a fun way to blow off steam and feel amazing. Trust me, that newfound energy is magnetic. Now it's your turn. Identify areas where you can prioritize self-care. Maybe it's swapping sugary drinks for water, incorporating a morning walk, or carving out time for hobbies you love. Remember, small changes can lead to big transformations. When you become your most attractive self, the world becomes your playground. So go out there and shine.